because of the video, pause it whenever you need to copy something down or if it's going too fast. So for the first thing is water. Why do we need water? Well, water is mostly used by the body to help control your temperature. And a lot of the chemical reactions that keep you alive also require water. Go ahead and write that down and pause the video or rewind it if you need to. And then make sure you make a question here on the side. You can make up a question such as, what does water do in the human body? Why is water important? Maybe a true or false question. Is it true that water helps perform chemical reactions? True, false. All right, number 2. When glucose, which we talked about, is one type of sugar, and other types of sugar combine, because there's multiple kinds of sugar, this is called a carbohydrate. For example, when you eat food like bread, bread has sugar, but it's not just simple sugar, it's sugar molecules combined, and these sugar molecules combined are called carbohydrates. So if you look over here, here is a glucose molecule. You got the hydrogens and the carbons, and it's all bonded in this kind of pentagon kind of shape. But in a piece of bread, all these sugar molecules or glucose are bonded together. They're attached. And then this attachment is called a carbohydrate. Bread has thousands and thousands, or even maybe millions and millions of chains of glucose molecules, which are called carbohydrates. When you eat things like bread, your body can get the energy out of the bread pretty easily because it has these simple molecules. It just breaks them down to get the energy out of the bread. So when you eat a piece of bread, your body can get that energy relatively quick. All right, come up with a question for number 2. And then let's move on to the next idea, and the last one for today. Proteins. Proteins are long chains of amino acid molecules, which are the building blocks of life. Your body uses proteins to make your hair, your blood, and all these other things. Food that contains proteins when you're eating it is chicken. Chicken contains proteins, nuts, and meats. So when you eat chicken, you actually stay full longer than when you eat bread. Bread will make you your body happy for a couple, maybe an hour or an hour and a half, maybe 2, for a couple of hours. But proteins can keep you full for much longer because your body takes longer to break it down. So your body needs protein to make hair, and then we can get a lot of that thing from peanuts because peanuts have protein as well. And your cells, your red blood cells, also require protein to build the hemoglobin in there. Okay, so that's the last point for today. Make a question for 3, and then don't forget a summary and an advanced question. All right, have a good day.